Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Suresh Chalasani. I'm a professor in the business department at the University of Wisconsin Parkside. On behalf of the faculty teaching this certificate program, it's my pleasure to introduce this module, PMGT 301. In this module, we will be first looking at the waterfall methodology. There are a couple of different methodologies, waterfall versus agile and scrum methodology. Most of the projects, like if you asked me 10, 15 years ago, or maybe 20 years ago, most of the projects went through some kind of waterfall methodology, and the waterfall methodology evolved into a rapid application development methodology. But these days, companies are switching towards the agile framework and the scrum methodology. It would be in your best interest, if you want to be a good project manager, you want to know what these methodologies mean. So that's one of the significant topics. And then you also want to be able to select a methodology depending on the scenario and the context. Some projects might be more appropriate for agile, some projects might be more for a rapid application development and waterfall type of methodology. One of the key things that you need to do is constructing a project charter, developing a project charter. A project charter is more like a summary contract, a high level contract for the project. Before you start the project, your manager, your boss, whoever you are working for would expect you to develop a project charter and obtain sign-offs on the project charter. So what does a project charter contain? It shows what the project is planning to accomplish. It also shows how that project, the project that you are in charge of, aligns with the organization's objectives. It might be strategic goals, or it might be operational goals, operational objectives of the organization you're working for. Unless the project aligns with those objectives, there's no point in doing the project. So that is one thing that the project charter documents. It also shows the milestones, perhaps the milestones that you are going to stick to, what are the risks that the project is going to encounter, and what is the scope of the project, what are you planning to deliver as part of this project, and a high level, it gives you a high level idea of who is involved in the project team. Last but not least, you would also be looking at who the stakeholders are. You need to understand who the project stakeholders are and what they're expecting and what their interests are. For example, some of the stakeholders might be very, very powerful in the organization. If you don't really understand what their expectations are, you are going to get a fail grade in their view, regardless of how the project goes. So you would be looking at the stakeholders, you'll be documenting the stakeholders as part of PMGT 301. Now let's look at what you need to do in this module PMGT 301. You'll find many optional assessments, optional knowledge check and practice assessments. You can address those, you can work on those if your time permits. Anything marked optional or practice, you are not responsible for delivering anything back to the professors teaching this class. However, there are some assessments that are marked required, and we need you to complete those required assessments. So one of the required assessments in this module is to develop and deliver a project charter. You will find that in this certificate, all through the certificate, we have a running case That case involves building your dream home. Building a home might look too simple of a project to you, but it is a complex process. As you learn project management concepts in this certificate, we want you to apply that to this project scenario of building a home. If you have other project scenarios at your workplace, please feel free to bring them to this certificate as you learn your concepts. You are most welcome to substitute your work project. Instead of building a home, you could work on all the concepts in this certificate on your work projects. So with that introduction, without much delay, let's start this module PMGT 301 and let's have fun.